Welcome to the NovaCore NovaCloud tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to use the NovaCore Toolbox when editing or revising documents. Now that you've learned how to control the documents using the right-click option in the software, you will now be able to edit the document using a normal Microsoft Office suite. Whether it be Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Publisher, you will get the NovaCore Toolbox appear on any document that you open up, revise or edit within the NovaCore system. The Toolbox gives you additional tools and information that you can attach to the document, making all of your version controlling and document editing easier. Under the Properties tab, you can change the document name. You can also apply a template to a document. A template is a style guide that has a header and footer that will match all the other documents within your system, and you can create templates from within NovaCore. You also have the ability to publish the document via the document portal, whether it's offline or in the cloud. And these options are all checkboxes, including one to publish as unprotected if you would like the document to be editable outside of NovaCore. You can also set the review interval for an individual document. By default, it's set to 12 months, but you can set it anywhere from 1 month to 5 years. You can even set a review interval of none if you would like to archive the document. You can even set a specific date so that if a document is set to expire at a specific point, you can select that point in the date selector. You can also revisit who you would like to approve this document if you haven't selected that earlier. Your revision notes also appear in the toolbox. They're notes that you can attach to each revision and edit of a document, showing what it was that you've changed in the document. These notes can be reported on later, and you can use them as continuous improvement and an audit trail. You can also tag under the tagging column a list of keywords that can be searched within the NovaCore platform. When you search those specific keywords, it will return the result of this access and equity policy, as there are tags that are within the NovaCore Toolbox. You can also approve the document straight from Microsoft Office under the Home tab. Under the Insert tab, you'll have the ability to insert custom fields such as different positions within your company and company name, and revision fields that will update automatically, ranging from approved by, document name, all the way to revision date. You even have the ability to insert your company's logo as well. Visit novacore.com.au or head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/NovaCore Systems for more helpful tutorial videos.